there is a subset of patients that develop fulminant IIH in the setting of venous sinus thrombosis. And those patients, they get basically rapidly progressive vision, papilledema and vision loss, but they've thrombosed their outflow pathway. Blood's trying to get out of the head, whichever route it can. And some of those patients, depending on whether they get placed on heparin and they get some recanalization of their sinus, some of them might potentially be candidates for stenting too. In my practice, those patients, I have not had the courage to stent any of them. And I've been shunning those people. In a delayed manner, if their shunt stops working and there's a problem, some of them are potentially amenable to stenting after it recanalizes, and there's some element of stenosis that has developed following recanalization. But in those patients with thrombosis, I've just been going right to shunting because I think probably it's the better, safer option.